Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check reward points on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on the second option, that is balance, and here after the loading you can just simply now tap on live rewards, and here you can see your live rewards. Here you can just simply tap on arrow at the top left corner to go back, and now you can tap on others, and here you can also check your reward points. And this is the way you can check reward points on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.